All right. Okay, guys. Now we are going to learn how to write a discussion essay. But before that, we must learn how to identify discussion essay. Because mostly this happens with the student that they identify essay in a wrong way. And for opinion, they write discussion. For advantages, disadvantages, they write another type of essays and all that. It's very, very important. So I tell you briefly how to understand discussion essay. In discussion essay topic, they are going to give you two contrasting views. They are going to give you two contrasting views. Like some people believe, on the other hand, two contrasting views. Some people think, whereas. So there must be two contrasting views, number one. Number two, they always write this sentence: discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now, don't just think, give your own opinion. It's opinion essay. No, discuss both views and give your own opinion. It's only discussion essay, right? Number one, two contrasting views. Number two, discuss both views and give your own opinion. This is how you understand. Now, how to identify opinion essay? In opinion essay, they repeatedly use these sentences. Number one, how far do you agree or disagree with this statement? Number two, to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages? That is opinion. It's not advantages, disadvantages essay. Keep in mind. Do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages? Number four, do you think this is a negative or a positive development? So these four types are opinion essays. Got it? When they give you problem solution essay, very, very simple. They use the word causes or problems. What are the problems or what are the causes and how to solve? Very simple. You can identify. They will give you a problem and what are the causes, what are the reasons, right? Or what are the problems, and then they will just tell you the solution, ask you for the solution. Advantages, disadvantages essay. Very simple to identify. What are the advantages and disadvantages of? Or they use the word discuss the benefits and drawbacks of. Now, don't just think the word discuss, it means it's discussion essay, not at all. So you need to read, reread, and reread the topic until you reach a point that this is the type of essay. And sometimes the type is mixed. They say, what are the causes behind this? And according to your opinion, what is something else? So they ask you for opinion and reasons. So if there is any fifth type of essay, don't worry. It's only the number of paragraphs that you are going to write. Right? If they ask you two things, if they ask you, for example, discussion essay. In discussion essay, you will write 4 paragraphs. How many? 4 paragraphs. Now, what are these 4 paragraphs? The first paragraph is introduction. I'm going to share a link with you that will teach you entirely how to write a discussion essay. The first paragraph is introduction. In introduction, sentence number 1 is a general sentence about the topic. Sentence number 2 is paraphrasing the topic in your own words. And sentence number 3, introduction, that is what we call thesis sentence. What is thesis sentence? There you write, in this essay, I'm going to highlight and then, or I'm going to discuss this and that. So that is what we call thesis sentence. After that, when you write the body of your essay, I mean introduction and conclusion, the middle part is called body. In a discussion essay, you have a choice. But the best choice is to write 2 paragraphs. Number 1, you need to discuss the side with which you agree. There are 2 sides because they said discuss both views and give your own opinion. Now, your opinion is which side you support, right? So the side you support, write about that first in the body and write more about it. And the side you do not support, write about that next and write about it negatively as well, that because of this and that and all that. Okay, now you'll find all these things. So this is what we call a discussion essay, and then we have a conclusion at the end, so you can practice. Now, one more thing, as you have Cambridge IELTS books, at the end of each Cambridge IELTS book, you will find sample of writing task 1 and sample of writing task 2. Never read the sample answer of 5 band, 5.5 band. Start it from 6 band. There are some answers for 6 band, 6.5, 7 band, 7.5. Read those sample answers, and this is how you can perfect this thing.